Hi, in this demo, I will show you how we can scale out with the Azure Stack HCI 20H2 from the 2 nodes to the 3 nodes, and then change the volume from the two-way mirror to the three-way mirror volume. After that, from the 3 nodes, we scale out to the 4 nodes. Okay, then change the volume from the three-way mirror to the mirror accelerated parity volume. Okay, in this demo environment, we have 2-unit Azure Stack HCI server, as what you can see now. And we have 1 unit virtual machines called VM1. Okay, if you go to the volumes, we can see that we have a volume 01. And this volume 01 is built with the two-way mirror resiliency. Okay, now let's go back to the servers inventory. Now we're going to add the third node by click the add button, key in the third node server name and with the fully qualified domain name. Okay, so once you key in the fully qualified domain name and you found the server, you can add the server in by click this add server button, and the wizard will actually help you to add the third node to the Azure Stack HCI. So you need to wait. Okay, as what you can see now is in the red with the joining status. You have to wait until it turns into green and turn with the status up. Okay, now it's green and up already. It's good for the next step. Okay, now we go to the pools to verify that whether the entire volume the pools has increased or not. So it's refresh, and now you can see that it's increased to 1.16 TB, and you can see that all the physical disk actually added into the cluster. Okay, great. Now next we go to the volumes. We going to create the three-way mirror volume by click the create button. Okay, choose the resiliency to three-way mirror, and this is the only option you have. Okay, key in the size of the hard disk you're going to create, and now monitor the footprint. Okay, and choose dedupe for this volume you're going to create. Okay, click this create. Okay, as what you can see now, I have created the volume 02, and the resiliency is three-way mirror. Okay, good. Next, we're going to move the virtual machine VM1 from the two-way mirror volume to the three-way mirror volume. Okay, to move, you click the VM1 and choose this move. Okay, choose only the storage. This is the original storage. Now we're going to change it. Okay, now we change it to the volume 02. Okay, so click this move, then you move the virtual machine to the new volume. So as what you can see now, successfully moved already. And by click this VM1, click manage, move to verify the new storage path. And as what you can see is volume 02. Means that we have successfully moved the VM. Okay, now let's go back to the volume, and then do we need to actually delete this volume 01? Okay, it very depends on you actually. If I would recommend, if you have the storage, leave this volume down, because this two-way mirror, in fact, you can actually can save space on the footprint. Whatever you created is only mirror to the two servers. Well, you can save space compared to the three-way mirror. Okay, but if the server space not enough for you to actually leave it, then you have to force to delete at the end. Okay. Now we're going to add the fourth node. As what you can see now, servers, we have 3 nodes, Azure Stack HCI server. Okay, now we're going to add a fourth node by click the add button, key in the fourth node servers fully qualified domain name. Okay, so click this add, and also click add button. That's all. So easy, right? Okay, wait until it turns into green with the up status. Okay, then go to the pools to verify the capacity whether increase or not. You have to wait for some time until it actually the process to add all the physical disk into this cluster. Yeah, as now what you can see is increased to 1.55 TB. Okay, so these are all the physical disks actually added into the cluster. Next, we can create the new volume type. Okay, by click this create. Okay, now you can see you have the option to create mirror accelerated parity volume, and these are the parity percentage. Okay, now let's with the 10% mirror. Okay, you choose the gig. 100 actually is estimated footprint is 210 GB. Okay, 20% mirror is 220 GB. 30% mirror with 230 GB. The more percentage on the mirror, you will take more space. Okay, so now I decided to create with the 20% mirror, 80% parity, and then same, I will enable dedupe for this volume. Okay, then click create. Okay, done. I've created the volume with the mirror accelerated parity. So the next job, as usual, we are going to move the VM1 to this newly created volume. So you will have to go through the step like I showed just now. Move the VM's volume, the storage to the new volume, sorry. Okay, so go through this process and move. Okay, wait until the status turn to success. Okay, so just examine and verify it's already success. I click this move again and check the storage. That's what you can see is volume 01. Okay, so that's all. Thanks.